Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-35G, the boiler safety valve plug for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Right, let's open up Home, Advanced, Part MMGS. Alright, let's go to Top Plane. Doesn't really matter which one, but Top Plane sounds good for me. Circle. Circle's going to be 10 mil. Dimension 10 mil. That's going to be a thickness of 2. Doesn't matter which mid-plane and all that. Just using blind. Nope. Underneath here, that's sketch, circle. That's going to be a diameter 8. 8, and that's going to be a extrude of 6. And done. And that's going to be a thread on that of 8. So thread 8. Sounds familiar. We did one before. 8.125 must be. There's no other one there. Okay, so we want that one. Thank you. To that one. Trim and trim, and that's going to be cut thread. Actually, it's going to be through thread. Yeah, I got it right. There we go. Now, on this one, on top here, let's go to normal and sketch. We're going to do this rectangle. That's going to be a thing of 6 by 6, 3 high. 6 by 6. Feature, extrude, and 3. And done. That is the part done. So that's part 3-35G, the boiler safety valve plug, done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. If you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe, leave comments. Appreciate it. Thank you for everyone's support. Welcome new subscribers. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.